found back from the rotary cave, and this is what I'm working with now. So this is what I found back over there. I brought back the whole set, but I'm just going to be using one. This one's got a lot of surface rust, pretty heavy surface rust, but blaster should take care of that. This is what I was working with before, and so you guys could see I badly bent it, but that's because, again, the metal was already chewed up from all that rust, and it was just a weak wheel to begin with. So definitely taking this wheel to like a wheel shop where it could get restored, or where they'll just cut the lip and put a new lip on there. But yeah, they're gonna have to balance it and do a lot of work to it. So I'm not gonna be dealing with this one anymore. Put that one aside. So I got this one I'm working with now, and these down here. So all right, let's get to it. Blast cabinet here set up and ready to go. Everything's sucked up. I think I might have said I'm gonna sandblast the wheels, but it's not really sandblasting. This is some aluminum oxide, and this is what you want to use for blasting any rust parts. So I've used this plenty of times, and it's very efficient, effective, and you won't spend too much time blasting away. So all right, let's get right to it. This one's already rust free, and like I said before, there should be some numbers on here, and there they go. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but there go some numbers right here. It's JX1400. I don't know if the camera's capturing that, but yeah, there's definitely some numbers, so that's a good way to know these are R100 wheels. I gotta do a little more research on that, but yep, this one's already done. There's no more rust on there. Alright, so I just want to show you guys what I'm gonna use for the wheels. It's this duplicate rust barrier, and it says on here paint over rust and bare metal. So I used some of this on my RX-4 for the undercarriage, and up until this day, that was like about a year ago, and up until this day it's still holding on pretty good. So I'm sure it'll work just as fine on the wheels. So yeah, let's just go ahead and paint those wheels and get it done. Alright, here they are, the Mazda R100 steel wheels, looking nice and fresh. So I did give them 2 coats of paint. They might need a third, but I won't know until tomorrow. I just want them to go ahead and completely dry up or completely cure. I'm not even supposed to be touching them right now, but I went ahead and put them here on the table because it's a lot brighter than the back. So I just went ahead and put them up here for you guys so you can see the outcome. Very happy about the outcome. They do have like this rubberized texture to it, but that's exactly what I was looking for. So according to Duplicolor, it's supposed to prevent any rocks or stones from chipping the paint away. So it's also a rust encapsulator. So I'm very happy with the outcome. I actually like the way they look. They're gonna be covered anyway with some hubcaps, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm more concerned about them being protected when I'm out there on the road. Once the car's done, it is gonna be I was gonna say daily driver, but I am gonna drive it. You know, I'm not gonna keep it parked or locked away. That's the whole point of me getting this project going. So yeah, I'm very excited for these wheels. Next time you guys see them, they're gonna have their hubcaps, some brand new tires with the white walls. So if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and let the word out. Got plenty of more content coming out, and yeah, just check them out.